Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video after the break of 1 week. In the previous week we have provided you all the worksheet based on the chapters which we have already completed for the practice purpose. So again in this week we will start the videos. So this video is for class 8 and the subject is maths, and we are supposed to continue the chapter number 8, whose name is comparing quantities. And as you all know that we were solving out the questions from exercise 8.2 and we have solved up to question number 6. So today we will start with question number 7. As I told you that whenever you are watching the video you should have your textbooks with you so that you can also read the questions and you can understand the information given in the question. So in question number 7, first of all we should read. A milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each, and on one he got the gain of 5% and another he got the loss of 10%. Find his overall gain or loss. So 2 buffaloes are there. So SP1 for the first buffalo, that is rupees 20,000, and for second SP2, that is the same because he sold both the buffaloes on in 20,000 each. 20,000, 20,000 selling price. Then on first one he got the gain, and gain percent is given 5%, and the second one he got loss, and loss percent is 10%. So we have to find the overall gain or loss. For that we should know the CP. Let CP be rupees X here, and here let CP be rupees Y. So the SP, how to find out the SP? SP कैसे निकालेंगे हम? CP plus gain is equals to SP. Here again CP minus loss equals to SP. So here the CP is X plus gain is, gain percent means 5%, 5 upon 100, X equals to SP, that is 20,000. From here we can see that 100 plus 5, 105 upon 100, X is equals to 20,000, and from here we can find X, that is 20,000 into 100 upon 105. So here that is CP is here Y minus loss percent means 10%, 10% means 10 upon 100, Y is equals to 20,000, 100 minus 10, 90, so 90 upon 100, Y is equals to 20,000. From here we can calculate the Y, that is 20,000 into 100 upon 90. So in the first case we will see that the CP is 19,047 rupees 62 paise. 19,047 rupees and 16 paise. And in the second case we will find that the SP is 22,000. Here 22,222 and 22 paise. So this is the CP of the buffaloes. So the total CP X plus Y, that is 19,047 rupees 16 paise and 22,222 rupees and 22 paise. We will add that. 8, 3, 9, 6, 2, so that is 41,269 0.84. That is the CP. So he purchased the buffaloes in 41,269 rupees and 38 paise, and he sold in 20,000 plus 20,000, 40,000. Means there is a loss because the CP is more than SP, and we can find the loss by subtracting SP from CP. SP, that is 40,000, 40,000 we are supposed to subtract from 41,269 rupees 38 paise, and we will get the answer. Means there is a loss of 1,269 rupees and 84 paise. So like this you are supposed to proceed the question. At the same time, now we will discuss the next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8 is the CP of a TV is rupees 13,000 and the sales tax is also there, charged on it at the rate of 12%. Find the amount to be paid. So question number 8, CP of TV is given rupees 13,000 and sales tax is there is 12% amount to be paid. Means the cost of TV is 13,000 and we are supposed to pay 12% sales tax on that. So we are supposed to pay extra. How much extra? That will be 13,000 we are supposed to pay first of all, then 12% of 13,000 means 13,000 plus 12% of 13,000, that will be 13,000 plus here 2 cancel out, 2 zeros cancel out, 2 zeros, and here 12 zeros, 0, 12 zeros, 36, 12 on there 12 plus 3, 15. So that will be 1,560, and if we add that, so that will be 14,560 rupees will be the amount we are supposed to pay for that TV. So like this we are supposed to proceed. In the meantime, we will discuss the next question as well. As I am clearing the board, at the same time you can read the question number 9 of exercise 8.2. That is, Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount percent was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1,600, means 1,600, find NP. So amount paid, question number 9. Rupees 1,600 and the discount percent was 20%. You have to find the MP. MP means the marked price. As we are supposed to go for shopping, we can see the tags on the different items on which the amount is written, and some of the shopkeepers are supposed to provide you the discount. So how much discount, that depends on the tag, how much is written there and how much discount he is providing. If he is providing 10%, so 10% he will deduct from that MP, that is marked price. So MP minus discount percent of MP is equals to amount to be paid. minus 20% means 20 upon 100 into MP is equals to 1600. From here, so 5 MP minus 1 MP, 4 upon 5 MP is equals to 1600, and from here MP is equals to 1600 into 5 will go upside and 4 will come downside, and from here we will get MP is equals to 2000 rupees. Means what does it mean? Means Arun bought the skates on which the tag was there. On that tag the price was written, that was 2000, but the shopkeeper was providing the discount, that is 20%, so he provided 20% discount on 2000, and afterwards Arun has to pay only 1600, means 400 rupees he got discount on the skates. So like this we are supposed to proceed the questions. First of all, you are supposed to repeat the questions what we have discussed today in this video, and afterwards you can try the remaining questions of this exercise. If you are facing some problem or if you are having any kind of doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubt so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your text. Thank you very much.